Hello, welcome back to another vlog on the channel. Today we are back at Monk's Walk. As you can see, we've got Dom and we've got Luke. What's going on?
Just like skate on ice there.
Yeah, so we're back at Monk's Walk, as you can see. The rubber boat's next to us. And actually some activity. There you go, right on time. So yeah, we're just going to check out what's going on today. I know that if you checked out the last vlog, which was uploaded last night, time of recording, you'll see, yeah, very noisy. You'll see that we checked out our first reaction on the drop for the first time, which was really good to see. And I know some more supports have gone in yesterday.
Just a bit.
Just a bit, yeah.
Yeah, I was
slow day, was it?
Oh my god.
No, but as I've been hearing, it's definitely a slow day.
Yeah,
What, you definitely need some Chinese buffet.
Chinese.
I'll tell you what, I
need to check out this buffet.
We need to. At lunchtime from 12 o'clock, we and Luke's been there, and every time anything exciting happens, to celebrate, we go there. The golden moment.
The golden moment.
Well, I mean, if nothing happens, we'll just go to the pub.
Fair.
I mean,
Win-win.
It's a win-win overall.
If only.
Yeah, so yeah, today hopefully we'll see some more of the lift deal go into place. Not sure whether it'll all be done today, at least up to the last point, which will be the crest of the lift deal, which I cannot wait to see. I don't think that'll be today. Bit of a long shot, but hopefully we'll capture something interesting.
It's got to be soon.
But yeah, it's got to be soon, surely. But yeah, we'll carry on in a minute. Here we go. There we are now, making our approach to the Hyperia construction site. So maintenance bay here. Yeah, a lot of sounds going on, so I'm hopeful.
Yeah, he's excited.
I'm hopeful.
I'll join him. I'll join.
What's going on?
I was trying to join him, but I was
Just trying to wade through the mud.
I was trying to join him, but
Good
then
old.
it went all funny. Oh my god.
Let's see what's going on then.
Yeah, it's definitely ready.
Oh yes.
So as you can see, just here, this is now the crest that's fully formed, ready to be lifted into place once that time comes. Obviously you've got, as we speak, actually just seen it, the lift hill being raised behind it, so looks like straight away we're going to be seeing track installation, which is good to see. Yeah, we've got some work going on at the top here. See, checking all the bolts in the last section of track that got installed with lift hill. So hopefully it won't be too long now and we'll see some track being lifted, but yeah. Be interesting to see when they're actually going to repaint the Samurai, because it's meant to be going back to its black and red original colour scheme. Obviously, at the moment it's still as it was. I mean, the platform's now done for it, I believe. It does look nice. Also, since I was last here, I just noticed they've now put the panel in on the side that's now fully done. So now it matches the other side. So just that large piece there to be done, which hopefully
Right there.
will be next.
Look at the size of that. That is unreal. But then watch this beautiful thing go up, and they already are working on it. Look at that.
Hopefully we'll get some off-ride shots today from rides testing.
Go up. Hopefully I can see it go up. There looks like something hooked up is down there. Something is hooked up. Banging off.
Yeah, very active site today, which is really good to see.
But yeah, you can see there's something really hooked up here. So things are looking.
The size as well of this crest is crazy from ground level. It's just mad to think how small that will look from ground level once it's at the highest point, which will then officially crown it the UK's tallest coaster. But just to see it in person is crazy. so excited now.
Well, I mean, yesterday they put in a few stores.
So we've been waiting around quite a bit for a while now. Still no sign of movement at the moment. They still have that bit of track just raised up above the ground, but the team are just sorting out this bit of the lift hill structure at the moment. But as we see, we've still got continuation of the wiring of the brake runs to do. I believe they've done all down here actually recently. Obviously they've moved up to this point. Not too much out to go actually, and then that should hopefully be ready. Try and get zooming in the station, see if anything's changed. Be interesting to see what they actually do on this side. So if all this will be gold panelled as well, or some sort of design. I hope so. Hope it's just not left like a black shed. They actually do something with that. Yeah, as you can hear, they are just hammering in and bolts at the moment. I believe they were adding something to the side of the track. Hopefully soon we'll get the rest of the lift hill. We'll go from there. So we have got some footage of Colossus being tested. Woo! First time I've seen this actually go around. I must say, it does have a great sound to Colossus. It is a classic. Beautiful. You think, Dom? Love Colossus? 50-50.
If I'm at the front row, it's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, it was...
Big up Colossus.
Yeah, for me, it holds a special place. It was my first coaster I did inversion, so...
Yeah.
It would have actually been Dragon Con. That was going to be my first coaster with inversions.
I know we were just talking about that,
That's
didn't we?
literally just talking about it, yeah. But, yeah.
Oh, look, it's good.
Big love for Colossus. Also, the theming they've done for Colossus this year, I actually really like it. With all the, like, the gold they put on their entrance portals, really nice. Drop a comment if you agree. And what do you think of the changes they've made to the area for Colossus? Personally, I really like it. Yeah. Still waiting on them putting more track in. Ooh, almost slipped.
Please don't. It's on the telly.
Yeah, so we've waited quite a while actually, and still nothing has actually been done. Just make out they're still doing some work up here. They got a strap that's securing the supports for the part they're working on at the moment. But really hoping we'll soon see some track. Here we go then, after hours of waiting, we do finally have a piece of track ready to be installed. So we have now got them fastening the track into place. It's taking a good like 15-20 minutes just to start putting this section in.
The track has been put into place.
But hopefully now once they do this, they can then connect the next point of the track up to this support structure.
Just incredible.
Whether they need to put another support onto here or not, like with this one, I'm not sure. I mean, it's likely. But then you think how long we got left now, so we're at this point now,
when the track
and the drop connects here.
now.
So to see it this close to completion after a whole season of just seeing groundworks to pretty much near completion is incredible. Moment in history, it really is. So it's just been pointed out to me now, Samurai is in process now of being painted. So as we see, we can see a team just up on the cherry picker here. So we were literally saying earlier on, like, why is it still the blue? Because I know the platform's now done, so it's nice to see they're going to crack on with the actual ride now. So it'll be interesting to see how much they're going to get done today. I imagine what they'll do as well, once they've done one section, they'll turn the system around, so the gondolas will be in the 12 o'clock position and they can paint the other half. Well, they might just do it from ground level. But yeah, it's just nice to see it's finally happening. I mean, with a couple of weeks left now till the start of the season, so I imagine they want to try and get this done quick. Because it will look a bit silly with half of Samurai painted and the other half not. With regards to the lift hill, there's still not much more done. They're just securing that in now, as you can see. So that's pretty much done. We do know there are other pieces. I don't know if you could just make it out just under next to the crest. There's the next section of the lift hill. It's got the straps ready to be lifted. So hopefully it won't be too long till we see that in. And I believe there's only one more support to go and a couple more sections of track. So it's not long now till we pretty much 99% of the coast are done, and then it's just the crest. So we finally do have the track fully in place now. As you can see, the team are lowering back down. So this is now officially in place. So hopefully soon they'll take them straps off and then ready to lift the next pieces. It's exciting time, Storm.
Finally, we're
It's happening.
97%.
Honestly,
Off the track.
how long it's taken just to see that go one bit of track.
It's been so exciting about jumped. Well, standing here.
What a load. You are one brave guy, I'll tell you.
I can listen to the state of how dark it looks.
I'll tell you what, it gets lighter, but then
It gets lighter, then it gets dark again, we come back.
Work's still progressing, as you see on the brake run. They're finishing off the wire in there. We're hoping they can get at least 98 to 99% done by the end of today, and then hopefully tomorrow they can top this off. It'll officially be UK's tallest coaster, but obviously it's all weather dependent. There is some work going on in the station, you might be able to hear. So we just noticed they're now lifting the next section of lift hill. So this is actually now two parts they've connected together. We think they're going to lower it back down though, because as you see they still do have the wood connected to the bottom. It's interesting to see that they're going to lift this all as one. And we've worked out that should near enough be the full height of the lift hill once this is in place. So all that will be left is the crest.
What do you think of the Colossus Stealth Replay? That was me,
The size of this piece of track is actually crazy.
Now, I don't know about speculation or anything, but I'm saying the train's going to have seven. I'm just saying there's 7 people.
So here we go then, we do have the piece of track lifting up into place.
I can see now.
Been waiting a long time for this to actually start lifting. Drawing quite the crowd as well. Everyone's here. Here you go, Dom.
This is mad. This is
Exciting, mate. Exciting times.
Yes, please.
oh my god.
Wow.
Here we go. The golden moment begins. Fancy a beer after this. Or a Chinese buffet. I need it. Let's go! Let's go!
Here we go then, we've got everyone running. Exciting time. Go on, Dom, straight in the water, head first, mate. Come on, Dom.
It's a celebration to see Austin Rome come on.
It's fair enough.
Pure excitement here. Everyone's on it.
I rate that a lot.
I should have got my bike.
Yeah, why didn't you? Well, yours is powered, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the perfect angle for it.
There we go.
Yeah, this is the perfect bit right here. Because the twigs it.
So really can see just how big this section of track is. So this will now connect all the way up here, which will leave just the crest of lift hill to do.
Two pieces. Taking 2 pieces off the one.
Picture of this after.
Yeah, I think this is the best angle we're going to get of it.
Shouting going on. Like, move it that way!
So just lining it up at the moment. I must credit the team lifting this, because the amount of coordination you need from ground level and the team up high is crazy, just because of the size of this bit of track. But it's just hard to believe now, once this is in, it is literally one section to go. 99% of the coaster done. Yeah.
And beard, celebrate the colours, gold and white. And the flag.
Dom,
uniform.
why didn't you bring the beers with you, mate? You could have brought. Oh,
Not allowed.
I don't do that with spoons.
oh, come on.
Not allowed. Load of rubbish.
I mean, I'm driving, so it's no use to me.
Getting there now.
We are 99% after this connects for the final bit. History bricks, ladies and gentlemen.
And that storm, that rain cloud has come at just the perfect time.
I forgot to put an umbrella, but guess what? Days, I live the joy of happiness. Look at this.
Wow.
Come on, to get to the toilet, is it?
So we're very close now to them installing this section. Just put a line in the last section now, as you can see. They'll soon start bolting everything in. And then, yeah, that is literally it. Ready to be topped off at the top. It's just crazy to think, since concept of this coaster a couple of years back, to seeing it fully constructed, well, 98%. We get it, as you can hear there now, and we're in the last bit of the bolts, and then they'll be drilled into place. That brings us to the end of another update. It's a bit dark now. Yeah, my phone battery did die, so unfortunately I couldn't do the outro. But it was a great day today. 99% of the coaster now done, so hopefully very soon they should be topping off that lift deal now and officially making it the UK's tallest coaster. So excited. I just genuinely cannot believe that we're at this point now of completion after over a year now of concept and obviously groundworks and stuff, to seeing those construction boards in the park with the layout on it, and now to see that full layout in front of our eyes. It's absolutely phenomenal. Can't wait to see that topped off. But yeah, it's been a great day. Really tired now, so yeah, just gonna get some rest, and then yeah, we'll join me in the next vlog. Well, hopefully we see this, well, it will be topped off, and yeah. Oh, long day. But anyway, yeah, we'll see you in the next vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe as always. Thank you. Bye.